Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible power of nature? All around us, plants hold incredible healing properties, just waiting to be unlocked. Essential oils represent this connection perfectly. These potent extracts, derived from the heart of plants, carry with them the very essence of nature's healing touch. We're diving headfirst into the world of essential oils, uncovering their secrets and discovering how they can transform our daily routines. Essential oils aren't a new fad. They're a practice rooted in ancient wisdom. Civilizations across the globe have recognized the power of essential oils, incorporating these aromatic extracts into their rituals, medicine, and daily lives. Fast forward to today, and we're facing a whole new set of challenges. Stress, anxiety, and burnout are constant companions. Essential oils offer a natural, holistic approach to well-being, addressing not just the symptoms but also the root causes of our stress and imbalance. We live in an age of incredible technological advancement, but have we stopped to consider the price we pay for this fast-paced, always-on lifestyle? Our bodies, designed for a slower, more natural rhythm, are struggling to keep up. The constant barrage of information and pressure to be productive takes a toll, leading to stress and exhaustion. We deserve to thrive, not just survive, in this modern world. There are natural, effective ways to reclaim our health and rediscover a sense of inner peace. Stress has become so ingrained in our daily lives that it's almost seen as a badge of honor. Our nervous systems, constantly bombarded with stress signals, are on high alert, leading to a cascade of negative effects on our physical and mental health. It's important to remember that stress isn't just a single event. It's a cumulative effect of all the stresses we encounter daily. Our bodies need moments of rest and rejuvenation to counteract the constant barrage of stress. For too long, we've relied on band-aid solutions to address our wellness challenges. True wellness is about more than just the absence of illness. It's about cultivating a state of optimal well-being in all aspects of our lives: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Essential oils offer a natural, holistic approach to wellness, addressing not just the symptoms, but also the underlying causes of our imbalances. They provide a gentle yet powerful way to support our body's natural healing processes, restoring equilibrium and promoting a sense of well-being from the inside out. I'll admit, I wasn't always a believer in the power of essential oils. It wasn't until I hit a particularly challenging point in my life that I had my aha moment. One evening, while venting to a close friend about my struggles, she suggested I try using lavender oil. That night, with a mix of curiosity and desperation, I decided to give it a try. As I inhaled the calming scent, I felt a wave of relaxation wash over me. That night I slept soundly for the first time in what felt like forever. That experience sparked my journey into the world of essential oils. I started experimenting with other oils, researching their properties, and incorporating them into my daily routine. The more I learned about essential oils, the more fascinated I became. I started paying closer attention to how different oils made me feel, creating personalized blends that supported my overall well-being. What began as a simple experiment to alleviate stress blossomed into a profound appreciation for the power of nature and the ancient wisdom embedded in these precious oils. I felt a newfound connection to my body, a heightened awareness of its signals, and a deep sense of empowerment knowing I had natural tools at my disposal to support my well-being. Essential oils became more than just a tool for me. They became a reminder to slow down, to tune into my body's needs, and to reconnect with the healing power of nature. They empowered me to take control of my well-being and to live a more balanced, vibrant life. Let's start our exploration with an essential oil that's as versatile as it is invigorating peppermint oil. Extracted from the leaves of the peppermint plant, this oil packs a refreshing, minty punch that can awaken your senses and invigorate your mind. A single drop rubbed between your palms, cupped over your nose, and inhaled deeply can work wonders. Whether you're looking for a natural pick-me-up or a way to support your digestive health, peppermint oil is a versatile and powerful essential oil that deserves a place in your wellness toolkit. If peppermint oil is the invigorating spark, lavender oil is the soothing embrace you crave at the end of a long day. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender oil is a true gift from nature for those seeking tranquility and peace of mind. Its gentle floral aroma has a way of melting away stress and anxiety, ushering you into a state of deep relaxation. Whether you're looking to unwind after a stressful day, create a relaxing bedtime routine, or simply invite more tranquility into your life, lavender oil is a gentle yet powerful ally. When it comes to respiratory support, eucalyptus oil is a true powerhouse. Derived from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, this oil has a powerful camphoraceous aroma that can help to open up your airways and promote clear breathing. If you're feeling congested or struggling with a cough, eucalyptus oil can be your go-to natural remedy. Whether you're dealing with a cold, allergies, or simply want to improve the air quality in your home, eucalyptus oil is a powerful and versatile essential oil that can provide natural relief and support your respiratory health. These three essential oils, peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus, are just the tip of the iceberg. The world of essential oils is vast and diverse, with each oil offering its own unique set of therapeutic properties and benefits. From citrus oils like lemon and orange, known for their uplifting and energizing aromas, to grounding and earthy oils like frankincense and sandalwood, there's an essential oil out there for every need and preference. As you embark on your own essential oil journey, I encourage you to approach it with curiosity and an open mind. Explore different oils, experiment with blends, and discover what works best for you. Pay attention to how different aromas make you feel and trust your intuition as you navigate this exciting world of natural wellness. Remember, essential oils are potent plant extracts, so it's important to use them safely and responsibly. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil before applying them topically, and consult with a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Embarking on your essential oil journey doesn't require a complete overhaul of your life. Start with a few key oils and build your collection gradually as you discover what works best for you. Think of it as curating your personal wellness toolkit, one aromatic treasure at a time. A well-rounded starter kit might include lavender oil for relaxation, peppermint oil for energy and digestion, tea tree oil for its antibacterial properties, and lemon oil for its uplifting aroma and cleaning abilities. Don't feel overwhelmed by the sheer variety of essential oils available. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and want to try everything at once, but starting small allows you to really get to know each oil and its unique properties. As you become more familiar with the basics, you can gradually expand your collection and experiment with more complex blends. Remember, quality matters when it comes to essential oils. Look for oils that are 100% pure, therapeutic grade, and sourced from reputable companies that prioritize sustainable and ethical practices. Investing in high-quality oils ensures you're getting the full spectrum of therapeutic benefits and supporting companies that align with your values. As you build your collection, create a dedicated space for your oils. Store them in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and heat to preserve their potency. A small drawer, a basket in a cabinet, or a decorative tray on your dresser can all serve as charming and functional storage solutions. Incorporating essential oils into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Simple rituals can make a world of difference in enhancing your well-being. Start your day with an invigorating blend of peppermint and citrus oils in your diffuser to awaken your senses and boost your energy levels. The refreshing aroma will help clear your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. Create a calming bedtime ritual by adding a few drops of lavender oil to your pillowcase or diffuser. The soothing aroma will help quiet your mind, relax your body, and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. You can also combine lavender oil with other relaxing oils like Roman chamomile or bergamot for an even more tranquil experience. Enhance your bath time routine by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oils to your bath water. Lavender, chamomile and ylang-ylang are all excellent choices for promoting relaxation and easing stress. For an invigorating bath, try adding a few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus oil. Create your own personalized aromatherapy blends by combining different essential oils that appeal to your senses and address your specific needs. For example, a blend of lavender and frankincense can promote relaxation and grounding, while a blend of citrus and peppermint oils can provide an energizing boost. Section 3. Safety First. Navigating the world of essential oils with confidence. While essential oils offer a natural approach to wellness, it's crucial to use them safely and responsibly. Remember, these are potent plant extracts, and a little goes a long way. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil or almond oil, before applying them topically to prevent skin irritation. A general rule of thumb is to add 12 drops of essential oil to every ounce of carrier oil. When trying a new essential oil for the first time, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Apply a diluted amount of the oil to the inside of your wrist or elbow and wait 24 hours to see if any redness, itching or irritation occurs. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Certain essential oils, such as peppermint and eucalyptus, are not recommended for use around infants and young children. Their strong aromas and potent properties can irritate sensitive airways. Always consult with a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional before using essential oils on children. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before incorporating essential oils into your wellness routine. Certain oils can interact with medications or may not be safe for use during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Section 1. Your journey, your way. As you've heard throughout this exploration of essential oils, the power to transform your well-being lies within these tiny bottles. But the true magic unfolds when you take that first step, when you invite these aromatic allies into your life and embark on your personal journey of discovery. There's no right or wrong way to experience the world of essential oils. Let curiosity be your guide and allow yourself to experiment, to play, and to discover what resonates most deeply with you. Maybe you're drawn to the invigorating embrace of citrus oils, their bright and sunny aromas awakening your senses and uplifting your mood. Or perhaps you find solace in the grounding and earthy scents of frankincense and sandalwood, their ancient wisdom inviting you to connect with a deeper sense of peace and tranquility. The beauty of essential oils lies in their versatility, their ability to adapt to your unique needs and preferences. Don't be afraid to start small. Begin with a single oil or a simple blend that speaks to your current needs. Pay attention to how it makes you feel, both physically and emotionally. Notice the subtle shifts in your energy levels, your mood, and your overall sense of well-being. As you become more attuned to the language of your body and the subtle nuances of each oil, you'll naturally gravitate towards the aromas and blends that best support your journey. Embrace the transformation. The world of essential oils reconnects us with nature's healing power, tapping into ancient wisdom passed down through generations. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Incorporate these aromatic allies into your life and notice subtle yet profound shifts in well-being. Feel more grounded amidst daily chaos. Enjoy more restful sleep, balanced energy, and uplifted mood. Stresses may feel lighter. Discover clarity and focus, navigating challenges with ease. Transformation is subtle and gradual, like a stream carving its path over time. With consistent use and an open heart, witness the profound impact on your well-being. Embrace the journey, trust your intuition, and be amazed by the transformative power of essential oils. Enhance your well-being, tapping into a timeless tradition of natural healing. Welcome to a world of natural wellness, where healing and thriving lie within nature's aromatic embrace. Section 1. A world transformed one drop at a time. Essential oils have the power to transform our well-being one drop at a time. These gifts from nature soothe, heal, uplift, and restore balance. From peppermint's invigorating embrace to lavender's calming whispers, each oil invites us to reconnect with our bodies, to listen to their wisdom, and nurture our well-being from the inside out. Remember your first transformative moment with essential oils? Maybe it was lavender's soothing aroma or citrus's invigorating scent. Hold on to that feeling of empowerment, knowing you have natural allies on your wellness journey. Explore with curiosity and an open mind. Experiment with blends, create nourishing rituals, and discover endless possibilities. Trust your intuition, listen to your body's wisdom, and let sense guide you. As you embark on this journey, remember you're not alone. Join the community, share your experiences, and inspire others to embrace natural wellness. Let's create a world where nature's healing touch is accessible to all, one drop at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks, and see you in the next video.